Hi there and welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got an interesting story to share about my experience with a Megane 3 1.6-liter petrol car. Thrown an unexpected anti-pollution error message. That caught me off guard just a few days before Christmas. I mean, who wants to see warning lights on their car dashboard instead of festive lights on Christmas tree? So, picture this, I had just left the gas station, and boom, the dreaded Check Antipollution System error message appeared. Panic mode activated. I immediately started thinking, did I use the wrong fuel or maybe the gas quality was so bad? I double-checked the invoice and I could swear I smelled petrol, not diesel, while filling up the fuel tank. After scratching my head for a bit, I had cracked the case and figured out what caused the mysterious anti-pollution error. But before we dive into that, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. The Evaporative Emission Control System (Evap) is an integral part of a vehicle's emissions control system, designed to minimize the release of fuel vapors into the atmosphere. The Evap system operates in a closed loop. When the vehicle is running, the engine control module (ECM) can command the purge valve to open, allowing the stored vapors to be drawn into the engine and burned along with the air-fuel mixture. This process prevents the escape of fuel vapors. A sensor is seeking for leaks and, in case of malfunction, triggers a check engine light. A defective fuel tank cap is a common issue. Check engine light might turn on if gas cap isn't tightened properly and lets vapors escape from the system. Nowadays, most of newer cars have capless fuel filler. Sometimes dirt can gather around the capless fuel filler, creating a blockage that stops it from closing properly. If the capless fuel filler is left open, fuel vapors can escape, causing lower gas tank pressure. In such cases, you should clean it and pour some lubricant over the filler seal and use a bigger funnel to open-close it several times. Don't forget to hit that shiny subscribe button. Until our next adventure, drive safe and stay tuned for more exciting content.